It's always nice to find a way to lessen the shedding around our house. This product was sent to us in return for our honest review. This is a really nice dog grooming kit. We actually tested this out for a few days and it does exactly what we expected it to do. It comes with multiple attachments, including a deshedding brush, a slicker brush, a trimmer with multiple guards, a cleaning brush tool, and a crevice tool. And the sound on this is fairly quiet. It's much quieter than a standard vacuum. Speaking of the noise, if you have never used one of these with your dogs, take it slow, use lots of praise. As you can see here, my dogs don't mind these things at all. They could stand here all day long and get brushed. It has a nice sized container for collecting the fur as you brush, and it's easy to pop off the container and empty it as you go. This thing works pretty darn good. I was impressed with the suction that it had and how much fur it can actually hold, and I love the variety of attachments. I think the slicker brush attachment is probably my favorite. If you're looking for an easier way to groom your dogs at home, we recommend this.